Hello, this is Alen with another video for salespeople on how to develop their resilience necessary for surviving in today's business world. Throughout your sales career, you probably discovered how to include motivation maintenance into your everyday routines. It's a piece of cake to maintain your enthusiasm when everything is rosy and peachy. But when challenges in the boardroom arise, it can become increasingly difficult to stay motivated and continue progressing with your sales process. In your sales career, it's best to be prepared for bumps in the road, just because you are bound to hit them from time to time as you go through calls and meetings with your customers. The best thing you can do, besides constantly developing your selling skills and techniques, is to work on your skills that boost and maintain your sales enthusiasm. It is such an important skill to have because it is your driving force that strengthens your will to succeed no matter what. To this end, today you will learn different strategies that will help you maintain your motivation during tough times with your customers. Using these techniques can help you sustain your enthusiasm when selling to a challenging customer. Number 1. Picture the resolution. Visualizing yourself overcoming your sales challenge in front of you can provide you with a ray of sunshine while you are dealing with a storm. Avoid getting caught up in the struggle itself with a difficult sales situation, or your mind will get used to a negative pattern of thinking. When you keep your mind on success and focusing on closing the deal, or at least getting through the current struggle, you can then make a clear plan to get you back on the road to achievement. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Send us your comments and please visit our website NorthAmericanSalesTraining.com to learn more on how with our training modules you can develop mental toughness and resilience so crucial for success in sales today. This is Alen, your sales resiliency expert, and please remember, resilient salespeople sell more.